Good day. Also, what if I tell you that your number plate might be fake, especially those people that used to do their plate number via express? They will just do it in 24 hours and bring for you. You pay extra money and get it. Most of those plate numbers might be fake, and you might not know until the day that police will show you Shego on the road. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your plate number in Nigeria, as well as how to check the owner of a particular plate number in Nigeria. Let's say that you saw somebody with a car and you want to confirm the owner of the car. You can also go to that website to check it. So let's get started. It's just a very simple procedure. Just go to nvis.frsc.gov.ng. The link is here on the screen. When you get to that website homepage, we see the first option, the new vehicle registration. The second one is existing registration. The third one is vehicle revalidation, and you see verify number plate. Then even if you scroll down, you see the verify number plate. You see a box that is given here. Click on the box, input the car's number plate. Once you put it, go to submit. When you click on submit, you will get either of these three options. The first one is valid and assigned. The second one is valid but not yet assigned. The third one is invalid number plate. Just like this one we are putting now is an invalid number plate. Because so this one now, we just picked a random number plate somewhere and we input it, and this gave us the validation followed by invalid number plate. So if you take your number plate and you get this invalid number plate message, you know, say that big problem there, rush to go and they rectify it. But if you get the other two, valid and assigned, you don't have much problem. So but if you get the invalid plate number, jackpot. And for the other one, it will give you details of the person that owns the plate number, and there's some other minor details that should be made public. So, and that's the same process you can use to check the owner of a plate number or check plate number owner in Nigeria. Just put the plate number there, click on submit. Just put the plate number there, click on submit, and it will give you full details of the plate number, including the vehicle make and a whole lot of other information that can be made public. Though no confidential information will be released, it's just the normal information that can be made public. Please, before you go, do well to like and subscribe, because we got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.